Nakakita kasi ako ng silver sword. Ayun. Wala akong magagawa na ano siya eh. So sad. Ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Hindi ko matuloy-tuloy yung sinasabi ko. Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, as you can see, he is trying to fix this area kasi dito talaga nilalagay yung plants. But the problem is that kapag mainit na, ayan, mamumroblema kami. Usually kasi, dumadaan yung araw dun sa area na yon. So, all the plants that we will be placing here, maiinitan talaga. But do not worry guys, we will find a way para comfortable yung mga plants namin. But before we are going to proceed with what we are planning to do with this garden, I'd like to show you the plants that we have na safe nung time ni Odette. Because there are plants that really placed indoors and ngayon nasa labas sila guys. Kasi hindi gaano mainit today. This past few days palagi lang umuulan. Pasensya na kayo, medyo makalat pa talaga. We are still figuring out on how to settle this area para maging maayos na sila tingnan. And hopefully we'll be able to show it to you na okay na by January. So thank you so much guys for those of you who keep on supporting, who keep on messaging us, who are thoughtful enough to let us know na nagkikare kayo, who are praying for us, who send us help. Thank you so much talaga. We really appreciate you guys. By the way, let's start by showing you our plants. Okay, medyo mainit na ngayon. It's almost noontime, pero cloudy pa din kasi and it has been drizzling since morning, pero ngayon hindi pa namin ramdam yung init kahit malapit ng mag-12. Ayan si Gerald, still nakabandage yung paa niya, but I think he will be okay na. That's why nagsisimula na siyang mag-ayos dito sa garden guys. We are also looking for a way to settle this mga body ng mangga. Siguro lalagyan na lang namin ng plants kasi sobrang mahal pag pinalumber namin. We were really planning to do that, pero hindi kaya. Sobrang mahal. So, we'll start off with this. Ito yung Philodendron Orange Marmalade, guys. We are ending this year, and I'd like to show you the Philodendrons that we have collected. Pero, I don't think madami sila kasi meron ding nawala. Yung iba kasi, nung bagyo, hindi na nalagaan. Lalo na yung mga naghihingalong philodendrons guys. I admit maraming mga philodendrons na syempre palaging umuulan, nagkakasakit, tapos hindi na namin naagapan and nag-pass away na. But okay, moving on from that, mag-focus na lang tayo. We will be starting with what's left. So I'm showing you the Philodendron Orange Marmalade. The black cardinal is here. Of course, the mother white knight. Anyway, yung pinaputol namin na puno, buko ba? Nga na. Ayan. Ginawa namin ganyan, guys. It would be best to use them that way. Lalagyan namin sila ng plants. Nakakatulong every time na umulan. I know, uulan pa din naman. So, pag ganyan, hindi na sila abot ng tubig. They are very much taller compared to those concrete na ganyan yung itsura. Tapos, the cardboard that we used to have, and those are the baby black Maries. We really find a way na malagay sila dito sa labas kasi medyo nangyari dun sa mga bagong dahon nila. Pero papakita ko lang ha. My saksam is something that I really miss to look after. Dahil nga madaming pinoproblema, yung tubig, yung gasolina, and all. After the bagyo talaga. So hindi ko nabantayan. Eto, kinakain siya guys. Makikita nyo yung mismong potting media niya, maraming mga pupo ng uod. Tapos, look at the leaves. Even the newest one, kinain. Naku, pag nakita daw ni Gerald yung uod nito, piprituhin niya. Ayan, wala na. Kawawa naman. But, hopefully, sana makarecover to. So, we'll just take care of this one. Kasi, alam nyo guys, nung bagyo, namatay yata yung mother plant nito. Parang nasama dun sa mga nabagsakan. Maybe kasi nung nakita ko, wala na. There's no way we could save it. So, this is it guys. My saksam jaipong in bad shape after Odette. Even my hengheng guys, medyo magkatapi lang sila and ito yung nangyari. So sad. My colored foliages in this area are doing fine. Merong Philodendron Orange Marmalade dun sa dulo. Meron ding Royal Queen. Yung mga tricolors namin, guys, so far, they're doing good. Tapos, yung epi namin na Albo and Oria, nandito nakalagay. Hindi lang talaga namin alam kung saan nagtago yung uod. Ay, nako, wag naman sana dito. So, here they are. And I hope they're gonna thrive, guys. Kasi ito, pinutol talaga namin. They used to climb up on the mango tree. So, we had to rescue them the moment that we found out na wala na. The next morning, after Odette, I tried removing them para maging okay. And ma-rescue sila. Tapos, ito pa, another Royal Queen has been eaten. I really did not think nakakainin din yung dahon nito, but here it is. So sad. Tapos, dito tayo sa dulo. I haven't been here since the bagyo talaga. Okay, nandito yung silver sword. Oh gosh, namatay yung ano niya. Namatay yung old leaves. Tapos, nainitan yata itong BB Radican. Ayan, namatay yung dahon. But I do hope na mag-survive to. This is the only survivor among the others, guys, kasi hindi kinaya yung iba. Namatay sila. Ito na lang. The magnificum that we've been saving is here. So, ito yung itsura. They're doing fine naman, but talagang ililipat namin sila. They need to be transferred somewhere else kasi hindi talaga gaganda yung tubo nila when they will be left here for such a long period of time. Eto, oh, diba? Maganda na sana to. But, yeah, guys, it really needs somewhere else. It needs to be placed somewhere else to thrive better. So, ayan. Eto, problema ko talaga lalo na kapag malakas yung ulan. But, wala na kaming magagawa. So, another one. Kita mo yung inano namin. Naka-mound layering, guys. Ayan, medyo unti-unting nauubos yung mga nilalagay naming pating media kasi directly natatamaan siya ng ulan galing sa bubong. So, unti-unting dumadami yung tubig dito and now, look how it ended up. Parang nauubos yung nilalagay namin. Kasi hindi siya basta-basta nata-transfer, guys. This is the only place na hindi siya naiinitan. So, that's why. Tapos, we have the more duckluck here. I'm glad that it has been placed here kasi it's safer na nandito siya, hindi siya katabi ng saxom. We have the Philodendron White Knight. White Knight, but is not showing anything white yet. Well, yet. I do hope that soon makikita natin yung white. We have the Baby Majesties as well. Ayan. I also have the Green Bowl Aglonema down there. You can see it. At least they're not doing that bad. Hello, say hello. Say hello to me. Why? I think so far, most of the affected plants that we have are the aglonemas kasi napabayaan talaga sila. That's why nagfi-feast yung mga uod sa kanila. Even my diamond siam, I have shown you yung current situation niya, including my saxom jaipong, which is really sad. But so far, the aglonemas that I have here are doing fine, except for those that I told you na nahihirapan talaga. Oh, I have a variegated alocasia under my lemon lime. Let's see. It's okay naman siguro, but merong mga leaves na hindi talaga maganda ngayon. So, that is, ayan, a baby red diamond. Mabuti pa yon yung isa. That's a diamond siam, guys. A baby diamond siam. Ito yung mother, and as you can see, not really the mother, but the top cut. And as you can see, ganyan yung itsura niya. I also have the bilite. Meron na pala siyang baby. Let's just take a closer look later. Hala! Even the moonlight. Ayan. Nagfi-feast na sila dito. Naiinis na ako. Saan ba sila? Tapos wala kang makikita. That is my seratum. A huge one. We are looking for a way na mag-propagate yan earlier because yan yung nag-need talaga ng propagation. We were really planning to let it climb on the wall but things happened. So, Availability. Here it is. At least this is in good shape. Ayan, beautiful. We have the lime fiddle. Oh, a lot of plants need to be transferred kasi mainit na. Nasaan si Gerald? So, ayun. The red Congos are already out. They've been inside the house for like 10 days. And I don't think they liked it. So, ayan, it's time to let them out. We were able to save the tetrasperma, guys. It's here, but I don't know where to let it climb. It has been climbing na. Nag-trail na po siya ng mangga. Unfortunately, yun nga. May nangyari sa mangga. So, now, the problem is to find a place where they can climb safely. I have the Brazil. Those are the propagations that we had. And the mother is somewhere there. Yung mga nakapole na hindi ko transfer. As you can see, the silum, yung nakalagay sa gilid ng wall, guys, yung tubo ng dahon niya, just on one side lang. So, they weren't able to extend the leaves on the other area. Ayan, the black cardinal. Mainit na, guys. Let me try to transfer them. Ayan, guys, hindi pa okay talaga. Tapos, eto, the pop eye is here. The birkin is also here. We just let them out for their daily dose of sunlight. The Prince of Orange, which is always one-sided. I have the green diamond, the huge red Congo that I was telling you about earlier. Tapos, etong dalawang to, I don't know which is the red Congo and the red diamond. So, definitely, they're confusing. Ayan. The Millennium na maliit. Anyway, guys, the huge one, yellowish na because na-expose talaga sila sa sun, unfortunately. Anyway, I'd like to show you the Jose Bono. Yan. Okay, I think I have passed through that without acknowledging na nandyan siya. Ito naman, guys, yung mga nasa table, yung mga nakalagay sa maliliit na pot. Most of them are quite sensitive kasi mga babies pa. But nandito yung red sun, nandyan yung mga Perkins. Also, the Thai sunrise. So, it has been inside the house, guys. So, makikita nyo, medyo na-affect yung tip ng dahon niya. There's a new leaf that is about to open. Medyo nasunog. Parang magiging ganito yata yung itsura. But let's just see once nag-unfurl na talaga. Yung giant moonlight. Tapos, this one is the super red. I also have the Philodendron bilite. So, guys, talapit pa kasi ako doon kasi there are still plants that are there. I believe napakita ko naman sila sa inyo earlier. Pero, ayan, so far, tinatry niyang i-pull up yung net. So, I still have plants here. Nandito pa din yung Magnificum. Sobrang kawawa. It used to have a lot of leaves. Sobrang lush nito. Tapos, we have the Royal Queen. And the other plants that are here. Nandito yung Pink Princess, guys. We weren't able to put this inside kasi nakapole nga siya. So, ayun. Yan yung gagawin namin today. And I hope to show you a better picture of this garden. It may not be on the next vlog, but hopefully next year on January. Thank you so much, guys, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, sumusuporta. Marami pong salamat. Thank you to Ma'am Victoria Victorio, to Ma'am Teresita Vertusio, to Sir Antonio Evangelista, to Ma'am Delia Fernando, and to Sir Jimmy Peru. Of course, to other people who also prayed for us, who watched our videos without skipping ads. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang laki ng tulong kasi we weren't able to do vlogs talaga. We were scheduling our uploads before, so we weren't able to upload as much vlogs as we want. But thank you so much talaga. Sobrang laki ng pasalamat namin, guys. And we really do appreciate you for taking time to... Nakakita kasi ako ng silver sword. Ayan. Wala akong magagawa na ano siya eh. So sad. Ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Hindi ko matuloy-tuloy yung sinasabi ko. Kasi nakikita ko siya. Ayan. Ayan. We were trying to let this recover pa. Tapos, what happened to the leaf? Yan. Nabagsakan siya nito. So, there's really nothing else we could do but to wait for it to recover or whatever will happen. Wala. So, yun na guys. Yun lang siguro. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to click the subscribe button, tap the bell icon beside it. So you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. I do hope na maging okay na yung signal, maging okay na yung kuryente guys, so we can get in touch with you more often. Bye!